Hey babes, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny, and in today's video I'm going to show you my minimal 5-minute makeup routine. This is literally my go-to makeup routine every time I'm staying at home, or if I don't have a lot of time to get ready in the mornings but I still want to look more put together. This is the routine that I usually do, and let me tell you, these products I'm going to show you in today's video, I honestly love them and I just can't wait to share them with you guys. But let's go ahead and get started. So I always love to prime my face, which by the way, I don't have anything on my face so far. I only have done my morning skincare routine, so that is definitely very important. You want to make sure that your skin is moisturized. I did my morning moisturizer and also eye cream, and I'm gonna follow with this primer. This is by Olehenriksen, and this is their Banana Bright Face Primer, and I just have the little sample size because I got it in a little set, and I did have the full size before, but I just got this one in the set. But I swear, for this primer, it's so beautiful, and you'll see why. It has like a yellowish consistency and it just makes your skin look so glowy. So even if you just wear this alone, it will give you a natural glow. You can see it right there. Look at that. It just makes your skin look so beautiful, and I just love using it. Sometimes I just even use this face primer if I really don't have time to do anything, but it's just so beautiful just by itself. So I go ahead and prime my skin using this primer. I just love the glow that it gives me. By the way, I hate that I'm currently breaking out. Like, you can see that I have a few breakouts on my forehead, and I have this huge one right here. I don't know what's going on with my skin. I want to say that it's hormonal breakouts, and I have been a little bit stressed recently, so I don't know if that's the reason. But I'm going to show you that even when you're breaking out like this, you can still get away without wearing a ton of makeup if you don't have a lot of time. And obviously, don't expect that you're going to cover up everything with a minimal makeup look, but I'm still going to show you how you can definitely look better. And I'm going to be using this Complexion Stick by Beret. This product is amazing. So it's basically like a foundation and concealer 2-in-1. And I'm going to be using two different shades. This one right here is in the shade Khaki, and it's just a perfecting complexion stick. You can definitely use this to just even out all of that discoloration around your face. So in today's makeup routine, this is literally the only product I'm going to use to even out my complexion. So I personally like using it under the eyes because I do get a lot of discoloration. Oops, I don't know what this is, but I do get a lot of discoloration around my eyes. So for me, it's very important to cover up the darkness, my dark circles. And obviously, we're going to use it a little bit over the breakouts, but this is not going to cover it 100%. However, it's definitely gonna even out all my skin tone. Basically, I'm just gonna concentrate this on the center area of my face, as you can see, and you can totally blend this out with a beauty sponge or with a makeup brush. I'm just gonna use this makeup brush to blend all of the product out. If it's needed, you can go ahead and switch to a makeup sponge, but I like using the brush because this doesn't take away any of the product. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more on the eyelids just because I do have a lot of discoloration there, and I just want to cover up my veins. Honestly, I don't know if it's my Latina skin color, but I always have a lot of darkness around my eyes, and I just really want to cover that up because it makes me look so tired. But I think you can already see how much of a difference that complexion stick created. It definitely evens out your skin complexion really nicely, and it doesn't give you full coverage obviously because this is a minimal makeup product, but I just love using it because it makes your skin look so healthy. It still gives you a little bit of a glow, and you just look better when you use this type of product. That's pretty much everything that I'm gonna use for foundation, but I do like using a little bit of concealer just on the areas where I need it the most. So I'm gonna be grabbing my NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Olive. And honestly, I'm just gonna apply this over my breakouts here because, oh my goodness, I don't know what's going on with my skin. And if you still want a little bit more coverage, you can just go ahead and apply it just right there. In my case, I just still have that little line in this area, and I just need a little bit more coverage, to be honest. So I'm just gonna blend everything out. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this complexion stick, but now I have it in a darker shade, and this is in the shade Sepia, and I'm just gonna be using this to contour a little bit. Even though this is very minimal, I still like to shape or give a little bit more definition to my face. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit right below the hollows of my cheeks, on the jawline, and also on my forehead. And if you want, this is just if you want, you can also add a little bit of this along the side of your nose just to give more definition. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with the same makeup brush that I was using, and this product blends out so easily. Even with minimal makeup days, I still like to add a little bit of contour, and that is just my personal preference. If I wasn't talking to you guys, I can totally get this done in like a minute or under a minute. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows a little bit using my brow powder from Sigma Beauty. This is in the shade Medium, and this is how much I love this product. I love using powder to my brows just because it's the most natural my brows are ever gonna look. I'm not gonna fill them in completely, but definitely I wanna make sure I fill in the front just because I do have some sparse areas right here. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of this brow volumizing pomade. This is also by Beret, and it has a little bit of a tint. So if you just want to use this alone, you can go ahead and do that, but I need to fill in my brows a little bit. Okay, so I recently fell in love with this cream blush. If you guys love cream blush, you definitely have to check this one out. This is also by Beret. This is what it looks like, and this is their cheek color in the shade Raspberry Beret. And this product is just amazing, you guys. I know it looks very dark in the container, but you'll see how easy it is to use. So I just go ahead and grab or dab that much onto my cheeks. I usually like my blush a little bit higher, so that's why I apply it like that. But you can totally just do the apples of your cheeks depending on what your preference is. And you can grab your beauty sponge and just blend this out, or you can also blend it out with your fingers, whatever you prefer. I usually just start with my beauty sponge, and you can easily add more. That's why I love this product, because it's just so easy to use. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can also blend it with a makeup brush, and it's just so easy to use even when you're on the go, but you want a little bit of color on your cheeks. You know, this product is just so pretty, and this is specific shade, I love it so much. I just really love adding a little bit of blush around the nose area. I really love that it balances everything and it gives you that sunburn look, like if you were just out in the sun. But this blush is so beautiful, you guys. Up next, I'm gonna be using this highlighting balm in the shade Cava, also by Beret, and this is another cream product. This is what it looks like, and I just love using cream products for everyday, simple, minimal makeup looks, because they just look the most natural, you know? You can totally apply this directly, and you can see right there how beautiful is the glow that this product gives you. If you want a little bit more color on your eyelids, I literally just grab this and I swipe this along the eyelids, just like that. And it will give you a little bit of color. And let me just grab another smaller brush to just blend this out a little bit. Honestly, you don't need to do a lot of blending. It's just so that it doesn't look all messy. And just like that, your eyelids have a little bit of color. Now it's time for mascara, but I always have to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Lengthening mascara in the shade Perfect Black from Beret. And I just love this mascara one. You can just do a simple coat of mascara on your lashes, or you can do 2 coats depending on your time and how you like your mascara. And for the last step, I'm using this Tinted lip oil by Beret as well. I just have to show you how beautiful this packaging and color is. I'm just literally obsessed. So that is my minimal makeup routine at the moment. I know that it took longer than 5 minutes, but that is because I'm walking you through the steps, the products that I'm using, and why I love using them. But if one thing I have to recommend to you guys from this makeup routine is this Complexion Sticks from Beret. And I love this product so much because it's not a foundation, but it's not a concealer. In my opinion, it's just a complexion product that it does exactly that. And it really makes a difference. It evens out your complexion, and it's just one step, and I just love using it. It doesn't really crease on me. I'm a little bit extra, so I did use the contour shade, but you don't have to do that. You can totally customize this routine to your lifestyle. I'm just extra like that, and I do have to do a little bit of contouring, but you can totally skip that. But I really hope that you enjoy this minimal makeup routine. This has been my go-to just to stay at home, or like I said, when I don't have time to do a full face of makeup. And I just love how much better I look, how I look more alive, and I just really enjoy doing this makeup routine, and I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I'm gonna link all of the products that I use down below so that you guys can check them out. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.